It's the Gear Tester here, and welcome to my stab test of the CRKT Hissatsu folder. So recently I went to the range and did some shooting, and after I was done I started to clear up the mess I had made, to remove the targets and different things that I had set up. You can see me using the Hissatsu folder here to pry out the staples from this target. I needed to use both my hands to hold the target, so I drove the knife into the pallet, just hoping it would stick, and I was really surprised at how deep the knife penetrated. So I had my GoPro running and I just started working over this pallet with the Hissatsu folding knife. This is not something I have ever done with a folding knife before. You can see I'm being able to drive all the way through, and not only am I being able to drive, but I'm also torquing down on the blade. Again, it's not something I would have ever done with a folding knife before, but CRKT and the designer James Williams of the Hissatsu folder advocated that this knife could be used this way. So I just started to really spend some time working on this pallet, and you can see I'm really being able to just drive the blade in. Now this is a pine pallet, this is not a hardwood pallet, and it's been sitting out in the sun for a month or two or three, but I was really surprised at how effective the design of the Hissatsu folder's blade was at penetrating through this wood, and how effectively I could just put my weight down on the blade and spread the board apart, crack it apart. Again, you can see I'm just being able to drive the blade right through it. I was a little bit worried that after doing all this I might have damaged the knife, but it caused no major problem at all. You can see I'm going to fold the blade here and then flip it back out to see if it actually works. I just had to tighten the pivot point and the knife has worked great. I've carried this blade for over 5.5 months, and it is definitely a hard use knife. Thank you very much for your views and your subscriptions. This is the Gear Tester signing off.